Namaste world. Hope you guys are good. So today ngizokhuluma nge-market structure. So this is part 2 of the first part. Uh, okay, sorry about that. Part 2 lo waka part 1. Ne? So ngizobe ngidiscussa i-market structure using i-trading view. So for laba abayazi i-trading view, mangabe ani-understand trading view, nifuna ngenze i-tutorial ye-trading view, ningazise. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma nge-market structure. Ngizobe ngi-explain i-market structure njenga before, but namhlanje ngizobe ngiya in deep details. So ngizozama ukuyenza le video leyo ukuthi ibe short. Sorry ngomsindo, it's too noisy outside. So yeah, I'll try to be fast ukuthi si understand ukuthi company yabo. Okay, so njengoba bengishilo, i-structure se-market si-move in one of three directions. So it's either i-market iya uptrend noma i-move sideways, sithi iya consolidate mangabe i-move sideways, ne? I-create ama-equal highs nama-equal lows mangabe i-move sideways. Then mangabe yenzi lezi zoyi-2 isuke yenzani? Isuke i-trenda downwards, isuke iya phansi. So ngabe niyakhumbula mangabe nibukele ama-video wami. Okay guys, like 70% of you guys are just coming in and watch the videos and ani-subscribanga. So leyo nto leyo ayingijabulisi, but ngicela ni-subscribe guys. Okay, so i-uptrend le, right? Then sibe nani? Sibe ne-consolidation. Sithi consolidation, ngizothi sideways trend, sideways trend. Ne? Then sibe nani? Sibe ne-downtrend. Okay, so lawo ma-basics kahle kahle market structure. Sibe ne-downtrend, i-downtrend. Ne-downtrend. Okay, so there is a point where i-market isuka ku-uptrend iya ku-downtrend. So leyo point leyo siyibiza ngani? Siyibiza nge-reversal phase kahle kahle, ne? I-reversal phase ilapho i-market okay, ngicela ukushiftisa le. So la before ngiyala ku-reversal, so la i-market siyabona ukuthi i-create i-low, i-high le, bese ya create in higher low, bese ya create higher high. So i-break structure la, singasho kanjalo ukuthi i-break structure here, then ya create higher high, then yabuya create higher low, then higher high. So i-market may create higher highs nama higher lows, isuke i-uptrend. Then mangabe create ama-equal highs, like ama-high alinganayo, so sisuke sithi yenzani? Iya-consolidate, nayithola? Iya-consolidate. So ama-equal highs nama-equal lows, i-move sideways. Then mangabe create, let's say i-high le, i-low le, then i-lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So may create ama-lower highs and lower lows, isuke yenzani? I-downtrend, nayithola? Kanjalo kanjalo. So njengoba ngisasho ukuthi khona i-phase la i-market isuka okay, ngicela ukuya phezulu, isuka uptrend or i-downtrend iya ku-uptrend. Let's say isuka ku-uptrend, so yi-low, yi-high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then all of a sudden create lower low. So le phase le la angithi beli create ini ama-higher highs and higher lows, high low, high low, high, then yathini lower low. So leyo change leyo sibiza ngani market structure shift. So it is shifting from ini bullish now, then izo-create ini i-lower high, then ithini lower low, then lower high, then ithini lower low futhi. So from la from la yila i-shift ekhona. So sithini i-market structure shift ke le, nayithola i-reversal point ke le, i-reversal reversal phase kahle kahle, nayithola be-create ama-higher highs and higher lows, then yacala ya-create i-lower low, then ya-create i-lower high. So kusho ukuthi sekutshintsha i-phase from ini i-bullish to ini i-bearish, singasho kanjalo. Reversal i-change i-phase change, market structure shift, I think ngisho kanjalo, market structure shift from bullish to bearish. Okay, bullish to bearish, nayithola. So i-model abayibiza ngayo le bayibiza nge-market maker sell model, nayithola, because i-creator i-sell model la uzosela khona and stuff. Then kube nesikhathi la i-market i-shifta khona from i-bearish, so create leya high, i-low, i-lower high, i-lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, then all of a sudden I create a higher high because it's higher than this high. So sesi-expect ukuthi izo-create in i-higher low, iqhubeke higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high, nayithola. So la kule point le ila sithole khona ini i-market structure shift, nayithola. So i-market structure shift from ini i-bearish to what, to i-bullish, nayabona. So sizothini market structure shift from bearish bearish to bullish. Nayithola. So lena bayibiza ngani i-market maker buy model. I hope it makes sense le nto le. So la i-market mayisuke i-creator this thing, this market structure shift, suke kuyi-manipulation phase. Mangabe niwabhekile lawa ama-video lawa amanye phela engiwayenze before la le series le. This is series number 2, video 1 ku-series number 2, nayithola. Okay, so I hope ni-understand le nto engiyivezela. Then siyadlula kube ku-market structure, because khona ini ama-higher time frames nama-lower time frames, nayithola. So i-market structure singasho sika yi-2, khona i-structure saku-high time frame bese kube ne-structure saku-lower time frames, ne. So athi sithi siku-higher time frame, i-higher time frame iveza i-structure esi-clear, like esi-clean and stuff, but ngisazoyiveza kuma-candlestick le nto engikhuluma ngayo. So i-create i-swing low ne-swing high, bese another swing low, swing high, swing low, and swing high. Okay, so let's say le i-higher time frame, ngizoyibeka la. I-higher time frame, maybe i-4-hour chart, nayithola. So higher time frame ngizombhala ngo-HTF, ne. So sizothi yini 4-hour chart or H4 or 4H. So ngisebenzisa 4H because ngibheke la. Okay, so a higher time frame lena yethu i-4 hour ne. So ku-higher time frame sizothini? Sizothi structure, like i-main structure kahle kahle, structure, main structure ne. Then siye ku-lower time frame. So i-lower time frame, this, hallelujah, amen. A text. Wena. Okay, so bengibhala ukuthi higher time frame 4H structure. So i-main structure, okay, structure saku-higher time frame singasho kanjalo. Ne? Okay, this is what we have. Ne? Then ku-lower time frame sizoba ne-structure le higher time frame. So kule higher time frame le kune-structure esenzakalayo. Let's say la kule move le, this impulsive move le. Kune-structure esicreate-kayo saku-lower time frame. So leso structure leso kungaba into ekayo, into so izo-create i-low, i-high, higher low, higher high. Yes. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, kanjalo kanjalo ne, until izifike la, bese kube ne-point yokujika lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, kanjalo kanjalo. Bese kube nenye futhi i-point yokujika higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Kuyangikhathaza ukuthi higher high, low ingakho ngithule. Okay, but niyayithola ilibe liyenza le move le. Oh la la, sorry ngalo msindo ngaphandle guys. Niyayithola. Okay, so la ngizobuyela emuva ku-higher time frame. So i-structure i-price yele ya-break i-structure from la nala ne. It's the same thing eyenzile ngapha ku-left, nayithola ngapha ku-left. It's just that ngapha i-creator ama-higher highs nama-higher lows amaningi because yini i-lower time frame le. Then ngapha i-higher time frame like i-creator like ama-higher lows are-less, are-few, nayithola. So le point le, this point right here, ngizokusebenzisa i-drawing what i-brush. Likuphi le brush? Ku-text. Okay, alikho la. Okay, so le point le la singasho ukuthi le point le la ne, then le ile point le la, then kanjalo kanjalo, nayithola. Iyabonakala lento engiyivezayo. I know you can see guys, you are not blind. Okay, so lana sinani lower time frame structure, let's say 15 minutes angisho 15 minutes. So yona sizothi yini i-substructure, yayithola, substructure, like i-structure inside a bigger structure. So nayi mase ngiveza kahle. Hayi, ngicela ukuthatha le ngale ngiyilethe ngapha. Okay, but niyabona naye, nayithola. So the point there is this point right here. and this one, that one right there. Yeah. So uku-understand-a lento leyo kukusiza ngani? Kuzokusiza ngokuthi angeke ukhone ukutrade i-4 hour isikhathi esibhaya kakhulu. So we have like ama-4 hour ayingakhi in a day, like ayingakhi vele ayi-12. So sinama-4 hour ayi-12 in a day, but ama-15 minutes in a day maningi, uyayithola. So you can trade i-substructure. If uyi-day trader njengami, you can trade i-substructure rather than ukuthi utrade in ama-4 hour structures. So if utrader i-substructure, ungakhona ukucapitalize kule move le, ungene ngama-buy lana malibe li-retrace u-buy, uyayithola. So wena uzongena kule move le, this move right here, and capitalize on it, maybe kuleyo 4 hours leyo, then you are done for the day. But mangaba usiloyo muntu loyo or awuzange wathola isikhathi sokucapitalize on this move right here, ungakhona ukucapitalize on le buy le. Kanjani? Uzobona lana kuzo-create-eka ini, angithi ngiyivezile la isikhathi la ngithi kunesikhathi la i-bullish structure iya ku-bearish structure. So nayi la, nayi i-bullish market structure shift yenzeke kuphi? Yenzeke la, uyayithola. So beyibhaya then yashifta, then yasela, then futhi yashifta futhi yabuyela kubhaya la, uyayithola here, kanjalo yabhaya bese yashifta futhi mayifika la, then yasela, then yashifta futhi mayifika la. So kule move le eyenzeke la, kuma-lower time frame bunama-opportunity wokusela lana. Let's say buzosela la, mayizo-retrace usele la, then uphinde ubhaye la, uyayithola, then uphinde usele laphaya, and again uphinde futhi wenzeni ubhaye la. Nayabona? So i-substructure ikusiza ngalokho ukuthi okay, ngiyabona ku-higher time frame market iyabhaya iyasela, iyabhaya iyasela, but mina ngifuna la ngizongena khona. So uzoyenzani? Uzodropha down uye ku-15 minutes time frame, then ubheke ukuthi awathola ama-opportunity wokungena, awuyitholi ini i-market structure shift and stuff kuleya lower time frame leyo. Ingakho kunani kunento ekuthiwa i-top down analysis, uyayithola. So yiyo le substructure of i-bullish structure. So I think there's a bearish structure ne-consolidation. So ngizocala nge-consolidation. So ku-higher time frame uzoba nento ekayo. Okay, so ku-higher time frame sizoba nento ekayo. Then kuma-lower time frames, higher time frame kuyodepend ukuthi yiphi i-higher time frame oyisebenzisayo. Then ku-lower time frame uzoba nento ekayo. So kuzoba ne-high, low, kanjalo kanjalo, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Yeah, lento iyakhathaza. Okay, so izo-create ama-high low, high low. Khona abantu abathi akutrade-eki if i-market iya-consolidate. So angazi niyabona ukuthi lawa amanga-ke ngoba you can trade if iya-consolidate ku-higher time frame, uya-drop-a down, uya ku-lower time frame and ubheke i-opportunity yani. Oh la la. Okay, so uzodropa down ku-lower time frame uyobheka i-opportunity yani yokungena, just like here. La market structure shift bongabhaya uphume la, then nala i-shift futhi usele uphume laphaya, uphume la phansi la. So niyabona i-create ini ama-higher highs this side. Okay, angizange ngachubeka because ngiyele ngapressa ngayi-2 nge-mistake. La ngikhuluma ngala angizange khona ukuchubeka the other leg because ngipresse i-finish line nge-mistake and ucalela phansi eyinkinga. Ayichazi lento le. Ukuyenza ama-higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so iyenze singasho ukuthi nayi nayithola. So kule move le, this leg ku-higher time frame inama-higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, kanjalo kanjalo. Nayithola. So i-higher time frame structure is made up of i-lower time frame structure. Obvious, i-1 hour candlestick is made up of ama-minutes ayi-60 nayithola, or ama-15 minutes ayi-4. Angazi niyangithola ukuthi ngizama ukuyaphi, nayithola. So into eyenzakalayo la, then kube downtrending structure ne. So i-downtrending structure yona singayiveza kanje, but niyayithola i-point engizama ukuyiveza. Downtrending structure into ekanje, angisho, let's say higher time frame ne, then kuma-lower time frame sizobona into ekanje. Okay, ngicela ukuyenza so, ngize la kule. Okay, so sikubeka ngapha. Yeah. Okay, so ku-downtrending structure kuzoba into ekanje. Kuzoba into ekanje, nayithola. So i-lower time frame ne-higher time frame. So mayi-downtrend-a i-high le, i-low, i-lower high, i-lower low, lower high, lower low. Nala i-high le, i-low. So sithini i-swing high, like i-high yaku-higher time frame, i-low yaku-higher time frame, lower high, lower low, lower high and lower low. Then kube nama-substructure like abo-lower low, lower high, lower low la waku-smaller time frame, nayithola. So ku-bearish structure kuzokuvela ka, nayithola. So sithini i-main structure ne-substructure, or i-structure on a higher time frame and i-structure on a lower time frame. So higher time frame structure is made up of i-lower time frame structure. Singathi i-lower time frame is the building block of a higher time frame. Yes, singasho kanjalo in simple terms. Lower time frame structure is the building block of a lower time frame structure. Ne? Okay, so mangiveza i-chart phezulu la. Ngi-invent i-scale. Hey, sengimangele kuyenzakalani. Okay, so mangiveza i-chart-ke sizohlangana nento ezilele. Bese ngiphezulu. Sorry for ukuba slow lento. Yeah, nah. Okay, so today's price bheka manje ngenzeni. Okay, so not today's price. Namhla weekend, so market is not live. Friday's price. Okay, last week's price action here. So ngicela sifocus la. So qala ku higher time frame, ku bullish structure. So i-bullish trend into ekaya ngisho. So masikhuluma nge-bullish trend, sikhuluma nge-market eyenzakala. So nayo i-bullish trend. So ngizoveza i-line chart. So kule bullish le trend le sine low la, sine high la. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Small consolidation, but sine higher low, higher high. So sizoyivala la. Okay. Nayibona i-structure esifomekayo la. Nayibona. So i-4-hour chart le. Then ngizobuyela kuma-candlesticks. Nayithola. So into efomekayo yiyo le. Ne? So la kule move le, this impulsive move le, kulowa time frame kamele si-expect ukuthi sizothola ini ama-higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Nayithola into kanjalo. So thinye kulowa time frame. So ngizosebenzisa i-15 minutes. 15 minutes chart. Okay. Okay, sesiku 15 minutes. So 15 minutes chart njengoba ngisasho ukuthi ngamele u-expect ukuthi uzozitholela ini ama-higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So nayo i-move. So icala la phansi, sine low, sine high, sine higher low, sine higher high, sine higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. Nayithola. So i-substructure into ekayo ke ivela kaya. So siyisebenzisa kanjani ke le information le ukuthi okay siyabona ukuthi i-market i-bullish ku-higher time frame, but then ku-higher time frame i-4 hour angeke ngilinde i-4 hours ukuthi ngingene i-trade. At least mangizoya kuma-15 minutes time frame ngiyazi ukuthi ku-15 minutes ngizokhona ukuthola i-15 minutes into eyenzeka manje like fast than i-4 hour, right? Because ama-minutes. So ungakhona ukuyehla uye kuma-lower time frame ubheke la ongakhona ukuthi ungene khona uku-continue i-trend mangabe i-trend iya-continue or uku-reverse i-trend mangabe i-trend iya-reverse njengala. So besine higher high ngisho, then higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high, bese kube nani lower low, lower high. So kube ne-shift lapho eyenzekile but ngizoyiveza. Lower low, lower high. Sengiyamosha manje. Ngiyokucalela phansi la. Okay. So sibe ne-low, a high, a higher low, i-lower high. So yi-shift leya, i-lower low, bese kube ne-lower high, then sibe ne-lower low. Nabona lo uyalingana nalo. So sizothini equal highs, bese kube i-higher low, then yashutha ya-create ini i-higher high. So la lesingasho ukuthi i-shift yethu le iyenzeke laphaya because ama-equal highs esikhathini esiningi ne a-create ini, ama-equal highs a-create i-liquidity. So ile create liquidity la. So besingasho ukuthi i-shift yethu eyenzeke lapha. Yabo. Then iyachubeka futhi i-higher ngisho. Bese kube yini? Higher low, lower high, higher low, equal high, bese siba nani? Lower low, then lower high, equal low. Okay, inkinga ngibona something la. Kunale higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, bese izo-create le higher high. So angazi niyayibona lento engizama ukuyiveza nge-substructure. I hope iyabonakala lento engizama ukuyiveza. Okay, so i-higher time frame structure ke ne-lower time frame structure zihambelana kanjalo. So i-lower time frame structure is the building block ama-stepisi a-create-eka kuma-lower time frame lawa azo-create-a i-higher time frame structure. Nayithola? So ingakho sisebenzisa ama-lower time frame structure because sifuna ukutrade manje, si-capitalize manje, not silinde like I'm not a swing trader. So uma ngabe uyi-swing trader ke i-4 hour chart kungaba i-lower time, i-time frame yakho i-lower, then maybe i-weekly time frame yakho kube i-higher time frame yakho. Ngazi ngiyayithola lento engizama ukuyisho. Bese la sibe ne-consolidation. So i-consolidation niyibona kanjani? So niyibona i-price i-ranger between ama-prices awu-2, like i-create ama-higher lows, higher highs endaweni eyi-1. So sinale range le, this range right here, ne? This one right here. Layithola. So ngicela ukusondeza lento lela izothinta lama-lows la. So nalo ngisondeze phansi. Okay, so la sine-consolidation ke la, ne? Ma-equal highs nama-equal lows. Nango-ke ngizoza la, ize la, ibuye ize la, then la, then la, then la. Nayithola? So i-consolidation. Ku-consolidation nakhona kamele u-expect ukuthi le leg le, this leg and this leg, it's made up of ama-higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows waku-lower time frame. Nayithola? Nanga-understanda lento le ningaba grand. And then understand kuma-swing points, ama-turning points, not ama-swing points, ama-turning points indawo ezifana nale. This one is a turning point, nale i-turning point. Ama-turning point wenu or ama-turning point we-price yila sithola khona ini i-market maker sell model or i-market maker buy model. So makuyile, so kulow, so market maker buy model la, market maker sell model, market maker buy model, kanjalo kanjalo. So nala same thing. Nakule structure bengikhuluma ngaso lese buy. Uma swing highs and swing lows yila uthola khona ini i-market maker sell model or market maker buy model. So i-market maker sell model or i-market maker buy model into ekaya ngisho. So i-high low, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So le market maker sell model. Then i-buy model into ekaya, i-high low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So kusho ukuthi lento le ivela kulama swing points lawo. Nayithola? Ngiyangithola. Okay. Right. Eish, angazi le nto le-macro ukuthi avelini. But let's see. Okay, so kulowa time frame, oh la la, awavela. Awavela. La la la. Sibuyele emuva. Yay. Okay. Ave wanyamalala. Nah. Okay, so ashinyamalala le nto bengiyifuna. So sizobheka le swing high le. Ne. Bese sibheke, yeah, sobheka le swing high le yakuphela 15 minutes. Okay. Visibility, all intervals. Okay, 15 minutes. So because the swing high, then expect ukubona ini i-market maker sell model kuyo le swing high there. Ne. Okay, so market maker sell model futhi ngizoyiveza futhi. Ngizonifida yona nize nibambe ekhanda i-market maker buy model, market maker sell model. Okay. So market maker sell model intekayo ngisho i-head and shoulder for laba abastudile lawo maphathini lawo. Intekayo market maker sell model. So la kule swing point le kamele sithole into efana nale. So this is the highest, ne? So sinani high, low, high, high, ayithola bese yadrop. So nayi i-market maker sell model ivele la, nayithola. Angazi niyayibona le nto engizama ukuyiveza. Nala swing point le, this one. So sinani i-low, i-high, low, high, low, equal high, bese sibe nene i-lower low. So nakhona iyele yavela i-market maker sell model, yabuya yazotesta whatever, then yayehla. Then nala swing low le, sinale high, lower high, i-high low, i-lower high, i-lower low, bese sibe ne-higher high, low, high low, kanjalo. So market maker buy model athi ngi-shiftise ngayo, nayabo nayi ivele la i-shift yakhona. So i-market ishifte la, but niyayithola le nto le engizama ukuyiveza guys. So yiyo le market structure, i-structure smooth-akayo, angazi kuyenzakalani manje. I-structure smooth-akayo. Oh la la. Niyayithola guys. So sinani sine-uptrending structure, sibe ne-sideways moving, sideways trending structure, sibe ne-downtrending structure. Then i-higher time frame structure is made up